Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Cherrybetty website. So Cherrybetty is basically an online shopping platform that provides you with a lot of products. You can buy shoes, you can buy accessories, it has a different clearance sale, and you can even buy different tops and bottoms and accessories for women. So it's like a one-stop shop for people, especially women. But now let's find out what's actually behind these fancy deals and different stuffs. As you can see, if we dive deeper, the website has a really good user interface and a quality pictures, but we never know if these are the actual or the original things. So now let's find out based on the reviews. Now you can see like the Cherrybetty website has 3.2 ratings out of 5 stars, which is slightly underrated. And you can see like it's only based on one review, which is a major red flag. It seems like most of the people haven't bought from this website. And if you dive deeper, you can see like that review, the person was not comfortable and the person wasn't satisfied at all. It was poor quality, sizing is inaccurate, and though they don't even respond to the messages on social media. So it seems like their customer service is very poor. And when I tried to dive deeper and look for the reviews on this Famous Viral website, it has a trust score of 62 out of 100. It may lie sounds you a slightly better, but don't fall for that. Now look at the reviews. A total number of reviews on the scam advisors was 6, and the average score were 1.5 stars, which is a very negative score. So in conclusion, I would say this is not completely a scam, not necessarily, but it could be riskier to buy from this website. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. I will try to make reviews of as much products as I can. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.